choose BONOSS. The BONOSS wheel spacers have a global pattern active cooling design. BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow confusingly inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect. And BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. And the BONOSS material have two types. One is 6061T6 and 7075T6. If you just use to daily driving, we recommend you choose the 6061T6. If you like to racing or off-roading, recommend you choose the 7075T6. And the BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers match the ISO grade 10 lug nut and ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, and have over 66 SGS and TV test report. And the BONOSS wheel spacers have come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.